Hello. Welcome back to Exploring Life. Today's session is very important for YouTube creators. In this session, we will learn how to find and copy tags from others' video into our video. Also, we will see the ranking of individual tags so that we can copy specific tags as per ranking. Okay. Let's start the session. First, go to Chrome browser. Now type TubeBuddy for Chrome. Select TubeBuddy, Google Chrome, from the Google search. This will take you to TubeBuddy extension in Chrome Web Store. Here, select Add to Chrome option. And Add extension option. This will start downloading files for TubeBuddy software. Also, it will add TubeBuddy extension in the Chrome browser, so that you don't need to open the application again and again. This process may take some time, so we will speed up the video. Once the process is complete, it will display TubeBuddy is added to Chrome. And you will see a small icon of TubeBuddy on the top right corner. Now go to New tab and open YouTube. And search for any video similar to your video, say, Top Songs of the Week. Now you will see TubeBuddy message on the top. You have to sign in with your YouTube channel account. First check private policy and term of use. Then select sign in with YouTube. Select your Gmail account of YouTube channel. Then select your YouTube channel. And allow permission to TubeBuddy. Now again, go to YouTube and search for video, Top Songs of the Week. Select the first, or the video, with highest views. Now, on the right-hand side, you will see the complete statistics of the video, like views, comment, etc. Also, you will see all the tags of the video. Now, click on Show Search Rankings. And it will display the search rank of every tag. Click on Copy to. Here, you will see all the tags selected to copy. You can copy all the tags using option Copy to Clipboard. If you don't want to copy all tags, then you can select only some tags and copy to clipboard. Now go to New tab and open your YouTube channel studio. And select the video to paste the tags. Go to Tags option and paste the copied tags. Then click on Save option to save changes. Now you have the highest ranked tags in your video. This will surely increase search ranking of your video. So friends, this is all we have in this session. So please subscribe to our channel for more technical tips. Goodbye. Take care.